Hey, I'm Helena and I run a travel blog on Squarespace with over 1.6 million yearly page views. And I've been using Squarespace for 5 years for myself and for clients. So on this channel, I aim to share clear step-by-step tutorials to help you blog more confidently on Squarespace. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to use custom CSS and what the difference is between custom CSS and code injection on Squarespace. So let's jump in. I'm just going to share my screen with you here. So when you log into your Squarespace website, you'll see something like this. And I'll move this out of the way. And when you're logged in, you're going to want to go to website here and into pages. And still in this left-hand pane, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see this drop down for custom code. And here are your two options. And now it's important to say on the basic plan of Squarespace, you won't have these options. So this is on the core plan and above. So if you're on the basic plan, you won't be able to have either of these options. You'll want to be on the core plan or above that to be able to use custom CSS and code injection because they are advanced features. And on that note, this is outside of the scope of Squarespace's help. They do have help pages on these things, but if you are using custom CSS and custom code for your website, it's not something that their customer service will be able to help you with. However, there are loads of Facebook groups out there. There's loads of expertise out there on YouTube, or you can do similar to what I've done in this video, just for an example, but you can ask AI to create that content for you. I will often go to AI and ask it to create a small piece of code for me to add to my Squarespace website, just for simple things like styling changes and stuff like that. So you can ask AI to create that custom code for you. So the difference between your custom CSS and your code injection is that custom CSS is mostly for styling changes. So you're going to see it in a style wrapper usually when you create this code. Anything that goes into code injection is site-wide changes. So that could be a script for affiliates. It would be where you put your piece of code for Google Analytics tracking. So in your code injection, that's where you'll find the header and footer space to inject those scripts there. Again, it's outside of the scope of Squarespace, just because they obviously can't be liable for any custom changes that you're making to the website. That's outside of their own kind of design features. So today, custom code here, you click on custom CSS, and the styling change I want to make is I want to change the background of my website. So I've asked AI to create this piece of script for me. And you'll see when I pop it in here, there you go. It's changed instantly. I've asked it to change the background of my website to pink, and it's written this piece of CSS for me. And it's as simple as just pasting into there and making sure that you hit save at the top there. And likewise, if you want to remove it, it is again that easy. Go to the custom code drop down into CSS, delete it all, and it's gone straight away. Hope you find that helpful. If there's any other topics that you would like me to cover about blogging on Squarespace or general Squarespace website usage, please let me know down in the comments.